We're going to be looking at differentiation using chain rule. Now, how do you know that this is chain rule? That's a question. How do you know that this is chain rule? Because you will not be given that solve this using chain rule. You just need to know that this very equation you have to use chain rule. If you look at this now, they say we should differentiate everything in this bracket raised to the power of 5. So how do we solve this? The only way we can solve this is the use of chain rule. Now, what is a chain rule? This is the rule for chain rule. When you're differentiating this, we have chain rule says dy over dx is equals to dy over du multiplied by du over dx. This is like a chain. If you look at this is like a chain. So, and if we take away du cancel du, we are back to dy dx. Assuming let's take this du cancel du. So therefore, we end up having dy multiplied by 1. So we are going to have dy over 1 multiplied by dx. We're going to have dx. So you see, back to this equation. So this equation is balanced. So let's keep our formula. So whenever we are differentiating something like this, let's take number one. Whenever we are differentiating something like this, so therefore we must substitute something. We must make something to be u. So therefore, let's take whatever that is inside here to be our u. So therefore, we're going to be having u is equals to 3x raised to the power of 3 plus 2x squared minus x plus 7 plus x 7. This is our u. So therefore, our y is now u raised to the power of 5. We have simplified this. Now what do we need? We need dy over du. Then let's differentiate y in respect to u. So therefore, we have it as dy over du is equals to 5 multiplied by differentiation, normal differentiation. 5 multiplied by y, we are going to be having 1 and 5. Then we reduce 1 to this, so we have u raised to the power of 4. The next thing we need here is du dx. And let's differentiate u in respect to x. So when you're differentiating u in respect to x, whatever that does not carry, is not a coefficient of x or does not have any relationship with x, we won't differentiate it. So therefore, we are having that our u du over dx is equals to, now let me differentiate it. 3 multiplied by 3, we are going to have x, 9x, we reduce 1 from here, we are going to have 2, plus 2 multiplied by 2, we are going to have 4x, because we reduce 1 from here. So we also do this, 1 multiplied by minus, we are going to have minus 1. I will reduce this, it becomes 0. X equals 0 is 0. So we cannot differentiate 7. 7 is constant. So this is what we have. We have gotten our, like a technicians, you have gotten all the tools that you need to work with. So we have gotten our dy du, we have gotten our du dx. So the next thing is multiply. Let's multiply them. So when we multiply them, we are going to be having it as our dy over dx is therefore our du 5 u raised to the power of 4 multiplied by 9x squared minus plus 4x minus 1. So now, what we know, remember, we know what is our u. So we have it as 5 into bracket. Our u is what? 3x cubed plus 2x squared minus x plus 7. Multiply by this, we have it as into bracket 9x squared plus 4x minus 1. This is the final answer. So if you want to go ahead and expand, fine, but this is our derivative. Thank you. Now, let's try the number 2. So I'm going to try the number 2, and the number 3, I'm going to allow you for you to try it and drop the answer in the comment section. We have at this very point 3 is constant. And if you look at 3 is the numerator of everything that is under. So therefore we can take 3 aside. Then when we take 3 aside, we are going to be having 8. Then we make everything inside here to be u, because we are using chain rule. So we have u is equals to 6 over x to the power of 3 plus 2 over x to the power of 2 minus 1 over x plus 1. Everything inside is our u. So therefore we simplify this further to be u is equals to 6x, because this is 1 over. So 6x raised to the power of minus 3, then plus 2x minus 2, then minus x raised to the power minus 1, then plus 1. The same equation. So we are going to be looking for. Then if we have this now, if you have this, therefore, then what is our y? This is our u. We have simplified this u to this. Then what is our y? Our y, therefore, is now, remember we have 3 here, so 3 is constant, 3 is here. Then all of this is u. All of this is u. And remember, it is like 1 over. So here will now become minus 3. We have simplified further. Now, let's differentiate the u. Let's differentiate the u over the x. Then differentiate the u over the x. We are going to have it minus 3, 6x. Reduce 1 from here, we are going to have minus 4. Then this also, minus 2 times on this, we have minus 4x. Minus 4x. Then reduce 1 here, we have minus 3. Then this is also plus x. Then we reduce here, we have minus 2. This is constant. We cannot differentiate it. Now let's differentiate our y. The y over the u, the y over the u is minus 3 multiplied by this, we are going to have minus 9. Then we reduce 1 from here, we have u is minus 4. In our number 1, when we say number 1, we say, as a technician, we have gotten our the y over the u, multiply, and we have gotten our the u, the x. So we just multiply them. So therefore, we are going to have the y over the x is equals to, what is our dy du? Our dy du is minus 9u raised to the power minus 4 multiplied by minus 36 raised to the power 36x raised to the power minus 4 minus 4x raised to the power 3 plus x raised to the power minus 2. If you multiply this, we are going to have final answer. We are going to have minus 9 into bracket. What is your u? And our u is all of this. Our u, you can pick. Let's pick it up. We have x 6 over x to the power of 3 plus 2 over x squared minus 1 over x plus 1 into bracket raised to the power of minus 4 multiplied by into bracket minus 36 x minus 4, then minus 4x minus 3 plus x is from minus 2. So you can go ahead and simplify this further, but this is